Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make passive income by selling digital products? In this video, I will show you how to create Canva templates and sell them on Etsy. Even if you are a complete beginner, Canva templates are pre-designed files people can customize. These include things like Instagram posts, banners, ebooks, resumes, business cards, and more. You are basically designing once and getting paid many times. First of all, go to canva.com, sign into your account. A free Canva account is enough, but Canva Pro gives more features and elements if you are selling premium products. Pick a niche. Are you making wedding templates, business planners, or Instagram bundles? Design then click create button and choose the right size. Design the layout with text boxes, shapes, and free elements. Keep it clean and customizable. Leave placeholders where customers can add their own text or images. Use free fonts and elements only so that even free Canva users can edit your template. From Elements tab, go to Elements, then choose a shape like square, and resize the shape and change the color like that. Now add a shadow. Look great. From text tab, you can add text, or from the design, you can select a design and drag it onto your canvas. Then resize the text. Leave text like insert name here or upload your image to guide users. Avoid using any copyrighted or pro-only elements unless you are clear with buyers. So now you can add some photos or some shape like that. Wait a minute. Then align to center. Then click the three dot icon and click layer button. Then to back. Then again layer and drag onto here. You can add another shape like that, then rotate the shape. Then you can add like some graphics, add some gradient tools. Now it's perfect. When your design is done, click the share button, then click the see all button, then click template link. Choose template use. This means buyers will get a copy they can edit, not your original file. But it's a pro feature, so you can try it for 30 days for free trial. Now paste that template link into a PDF file. You can create a thank you page with your brand. Uses instructions and the button. Click here to access your Canva template. You will upload this PDF to Etsy as the digital download. Now go to Etsy seller account, log into your account, click shop manager, then add a new listing, upload preview images of your template. You can use mockups from Canva or websites like Place It. Add a detailed title, keywords, and description. Include what the buyers include what the buyer gets and how to use it. Price your item based on value and competitors. Most Canva templates range from $3 to $20. Up, upload your PDF file with the Canva link as the digital product. When purchased, the buyer will instantly receive the file from Etsy. Make bundles to increase sales. Use Etsy SEO target specific niches. Include instructions in your PDF to reduce buyer confusion. Watermark your previews to avoid theft. Final product showcase. And that's how you can create Canva templates to sell on Etsy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want a full Canva bundle tutorial next. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay with me and stay creating. You can you can use templates from Canva. Just search for Canva templates and copy and paste it onto your Etsy account.